Welcome to our channel, AI Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment below. Today, we're diving into 10 hidden AI tools you'll wish you knew about, and trust me, they're game changers. You know ChatGPT, right? But what if I told you there's a whole army of AI tools no one's talking about, and they're insanely powerful? Tool number 1, Gamma. It builds slide decks instantly from plain text. Just type and boom, presentation ready. Tool number 2, Perplexity. It's like Google, but with receipts. It searches, summarizes, and cites every source. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. Want to sound like Morgan Freeman? This tool clones your voice or any voice. Too real, it's scary. Tool number 4, Leonardo. Image generation with insane control, way better than most other generators. Tool number 5, Runway. Edit videos like a wizard, remove backgrounds, generate footage, track motion. AI does it all. Tool number 6, Durable. Launch a website in under a minute. Just describe your biz, and it builds everything for you. Tool number 7, Mixo. It makes slick landing pages for startups with one sentence. Great for MVPs. Tool number 8, Tome, the storytelling AI. It crafts pitch decks, reports, and even lessons with stunning visuals. Tool number 9, Descript. Edit video by editing text. Delete a word, and it vanishes from the video too. Tool number 10, Play.ht, turns your blog posts into podcasts using ultra-natural voiceovers. AI isn't the future, it's right now. Which tool blew your mind? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for part 2. Thanks for watching the AI Academy. If you learned something new, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one. Bye for now.